Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial demonstrating how you can use sets with Pencil. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the course I wish to make my set in, and then I'm going to go to Sets, and I can either add questions, notes to a set that already exists, or I can create a new set. I'm just going to quickly put in a name and description to make it easy for us to find today. And now when I search for my set, I will easily be able to find it. So if I would like to add questions or notes to my set, I can just go to questions or notes. So for now, we're going to go to questions. And I can choose a question that has already been created to add to my set. I can find it on the right-hand side, or I can find it in the topics from the syllabus, which I've already put it in. So if I select that, I'll see all the questions I've added to that section in my syllabus. But to create a new question, I will just click Create. I'll be asked to make an open-ended question or multiple choice. I'm going to make it easy and put multiple choice today. And you'll be shown two text boxes. So the screenshot text box is a text box where you will only be able to see the content when you're editing. The second text box is the title text box, which only supports text and equations. And if you create a third text box, this will support text, equations, and anything in our top toolbar, including images, videos, URLs, PDFs, and inserting our equations. So I'm just going to quickly type in a question. And I'm going to add my multiple choice answers. I'm going to make sure to check off the correct answer. I'm going to select next. And now I'll be given a few options. So I can list the properties. So this is the grade range it's for, the level of difficulty of the question, the quality of the question, and then how long it should take a student to answer the question. So I can add that in. I can also add it to a part of my syllabus. So where we located the questions from before. So if I go under counting, let's say counting in ones. Then I can add it to that part of my syllabus. So once it's published, I will be able to see my question. So once I go back to questions, I can easily see the question I've just created. If I'd like to add it to my set, I'll just click the box beside the question, select Add to Set, and search for the set I've created and add it to that set. I can add as many questions or notes as I'd like to my set. So maybe I'd like to add this one, this one, this one, and add all these questions to my set. It'll be added to my set. So now when I go to my sets and I search for my set, I will be able to see all the questions that I've added to it. So if I would like to print my set, I can click the print icon, and Pencil will automatically create a worksheet with all your questions fit to size. So you can print it from there. If I would like to get a shareable link as to one of the questions in my set, I can select Go to Original. And then I can click the Copy Link button, and I can share that with any of my students I want to be answering this question. I can also bring sets into a space, so I'm going to go to a space. I'm going to create a new space. And you can do this before or after you start the call. So I'm just going to go to my library. I'm going to select the course I want to take my set from. I'm going to go to Sets. I'm going to search for my set. I'm going to click on it. Click the Select All box, or you can individually select the boxes of the questions you want to open in your space. Click Open. And the questions will be added to your space, each on their own individual board. So if we go to board 3, we can see another question from our set. Go to board 5, another question from our set. And that's how you use sets and spaces. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button found at the top right-hand corner of your screen.